Hi, my name is Claude AUTHELAIN. I've been practicing implantology and oral surgery for now 30 years in Strasbourg, in France. I also trained a lot of dentists in implantology. Today, we are living a very difficult situation, a critical worldwide situation with this coronavirus. We are afraid for our health, for the health of our relatives, for our job, because we must stay at home. But it's also maybe the moment to get a greater focus on ourselves and maybe to ask ourselves the good questions. Do we have a responsibility? Do we have a mission? How can we help? That's the reason we decided with Straumann Group and with Anthogyr company to organize 3 international webinars about implantology. And the aim is clear. It is to share our experience to allow you to perform or to progress in your practice. And the topic is immediate loading for full arch restoration. This webinar will be in fact broken down in 3 webinars of 30 minutes. The first one will be concerned about 2 key points: the rationale of the multiple screw retain prosthesis. We will discuss the prosthesis directly on implants or using abutments. It's a critical point. We'll also discuss the indications and contraindications of the immediate loading. The second webinar will describe the step-by-step of the surgical approach. We will share our tips and tricks to help you. And the third one will describe the step-by-step for the prosthesis. So save the dates. We hope to see you there.